start the morning with some top global headlines. The International Monetary Fund is continuing to assess the impact of US President Donald Trump's tariff plans, including his new 25% auto tariffs. But the global lenders' baseline forecasts do not envision a US recession. IMF spokesperson Julie Kozak said that the duty is imposed on goods from Canada and Mexico, if sustained, would have a significant adverse effect on those countries' economic outlooks. Now, additionally, she also said that the IMF is continuing to assess the impact of Trump's various tariff announcements on other regions.
Important commentary to start your day with when it comes to the IMF, but let's also keep it going with tariffs and strong commentary coming in from Fed officials as well. Boston President Susan Collins, as well as Richmond Fed President Thomas Barkin on the tariff trade war. Then Barkin said that he did not expect the consumers to face a full-blown 25% tariff on imported autos. In fact, he also adds that he also expects the tariff implementation to spill over to the labor market. So that's key commentary coming in right there. On the tariff front, you also have Susan Collins, who said that the tariffs will be driving up the US inflation, but it is unclear how persistent that upward pressure is going to be at this point in time.
That is correct. Moving on, German Chancellor Olaf Scholz has said that Trump's decision to impose tariffs on cars is wrong and that the US president had chosen a path that would produce only losers. Additionally, government officials added that Germany and the European Union would defend free trade as the foundation of their prosperity, with the European Union Commission, the bloc's executive, in charge of that process.
Now let's get you some more news and updates then. Meanwhile, Italian luxury car maker Ferrari has announced that it will raise prices by 10% on certain models after April 1st. Now this comes as a response to the 25% tariffs announced just yesterday. In fact, the move is going to be adding up to $50,000 to the price of a typical Ferrari.
Moving on, another update from US. Well, the number of US citizens filing for fresh unemployment benefits fell by 1,000 to come in at 2,24,000 in the week gone by. But the figure in fact came in lower than the estimated 2,25,000. Now, the US Labor Department's revised last week's initial jobless claims to upwards to 2,25,000 from 2,23,000 earlier. Meanwhile, continuing claims in the week ending March 15th decreased by 25,000 at 1.85 million. Remember that as of yet, the jobs report does not include claims by the recently laid off federal workers.
Moving on, let's get you some more news and updates.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.